Have any of you ever come up with a really good brand name or a product name that you just think was the dog's bollocks and the client didn't go for it and it still haunts you to this day?
Yeah.
Loads.
Yeah, like all of them.
All of my ideas are fantastic. I don't understand.
This is a little story that will encapsulate so many things. It was a Scottish business, a Scottish business in the utility sector. And I'd gone up to Scotland to meet up with the execs and all of that. And I was walking out, for lunch, because it's just sort of a dead bit of time in the day. And I was walking down, there's a beautiful sunlit day, and I was walking past this river. The river was called Almond, right? So it was the River Almond, and it was the birthplace of this company. And so I was like, I had that kind of, moment of like, oh, Almond, that's a great name for this business. I'm going to weave that in. What I realised is that the romance of that moment had impaired my judgment on trying to name a really serious utility organisation after a nut.